Wonderful room, view, and service. We were surprised at how beautiful the room is, with a view of the mountains. The hosts were very kind and friendly with great service. The homemade breakfast was delicious. Wonderful place to stay. We'll choose this hotel again. The hotel of choice in Guangzhou. We arrived at around 3 p.m. The check-in is smooth. The room was so spacious and clean, got a beautiful large window where you can enjoy the wonderful view. The hotel is probably the closest hotel to Guangzhou Farm here, just 5 to 10 minutes walk down the main road you can find the north entrance. The transportation in Guangzhou relies very much on the bus, although that's not very frequent, probably every 1 hour. You can also ask the hotel to help call the taxi, or call the restaurant for pickup. Some restaurants provide this service for free. The hotel offers nice breakfast buffet, with homemade bread, coffee, smashed potato, congee, etc. The housekeeper and the owner are very warm and helpful. It's a perfect stay here. Best stay ever. We stayed at Cotswolds Villa for a long weekend. It was a very pleasant stay. The view from the room was fantastic, the room itself was spacious and clean. The staff are really friendly and helpful, can't really ask for better service. Breakfast is very good, lots of local vegetables and even some Western food options. Overall experience is very impressive. Would come back in a heartbeat. Amazing stay. Host was great, breakfast was cooked by host and absolutely delicious. Service 1000 tenths.